Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start question number 1 of exercise 1.1. But before starting question number 1, if you have not gone through the introductory lecture of exercise 1.1, please go through it because there I have discussed 8 properties, out of which many of them will be used in this exercise. So without wasting time, let us start. Using appropriate properties, find the sum of this first and second part is also there, that we will discuss afterward. First we will discuss the first part. We have to use the property and then we have to find this sum. We have to solve this, and for that purpose you must be knowing three properties mainly: commutativity, distributivity, associativity. These three property you must be knowing very well. See students, in this question you can see 3 divided by 5 is repeated, but here 3 divided by 5 is in second position, and here in this multiplication 3 divided by 5 is in first position. So you know commutativity very well, that I am going to use here. I will take 3 divided by 5 in first position and then move minus 2 by 3 to second position. This will be as it is, 5 divided by 2. Here minus 3 by 5, I want plus 3 by 5. So what I will do, I will take plus 3 by 5 and minus of it I will give it to minus 1 by 6. It is same thing. Now if you multiply, it will again return back to it. Minus into plus will be minus 3 by 5. So we can do these arrangements. What I have done here, I have used A into B is equal to B into A. It was B into A. You can see B into A. I have just changed. I have taken A into B. I have taken this first in position and this in the second position. So what I have used here? Commutativity. This property I have used here. So they have told us to use property, so I have used it. Now what I will do? You can see 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 in this two terms. 3 by 5 is repeated. So it is like, here it is multiplication. A into B and A into C. You know this rule very well. A into B, A into C. So I can take A common. So it will come out. Inside it will left with minus 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 6, and this plus 5 by 2 will remain as it is. Which property I have used over here? It was A into B plus A into C, which I have taken A common, inside bracket B plus C. And what is this property? It is distributivity. Distributivity over addition. Hope you have gone through that video lecture. Now what I will do, I will solve the bracket portion, and for that purpose I have to take LCM of 3 and 6, which I will take over here in rough. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are. So what is LCM? 3 twos are 6. 6 is the LCM. To make this 6, I will multiply it by 2, so numerator also 2. Here already it is 6, so we will multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So I will get 2 twos are 4, minus 4, plus into minus minus 1, divide by 6, and this I will write as it is. Now 3 by 5 as it is, minus 4 and minus 1 will become minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now you can see here it is in multiplication, these two are in multiplication, so I will cancel out 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 3 ones are, and 3 2s are. So our resulting answer will be minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. LCM will be 2. So above we will subtract. So our answer will be plus 4 divided by 2, which I can write 2 2s are. So our answer is 2. Using two properties, we have made the sum, the calculation of this sum very easy, right students? Hope you have understood this part. Second part of this question will be your homework, students. You have to use those three properties only. You can solve it on your own. So we will meet with new lecture, with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.